the 24 personnel of the Sunlight Ecotourism Island Resort for graduating and successfully completing the 3-day basic life support training here in Setir. Congratulations.
After 3-day basic life support training first aid.
Certificate of completion is awarded to for successfully completing the basic life support standard first aid training. The better seat arrived at Sunlight Ecotourism Island Resort, Barangay Cesar F. De Vera Jr., Municipal Mayor. Awarded to Anabini Jodang Tupas. 1, 2, 3. The same certificate is awarded to Brian Pangilinan. The same certificate is awarded to Delito Baguio. The same certificate is awarded to Christian Benjamin.